Hello everyone, in this video I'll be talking about the prompts and the playground sections in Langsmith where all prompts editing and modifications take place. So we have two types of prompts which are private and public prompts. Private prompts are prompts that we created in this workspace and are only visible to the people having access to this workspace. Public prompts are prompts created by this workspace and that can be accessed by anyone using Langsmith. And so to access public prompts created by other people, you can just press on this link and you'll be directed here. And here you can find all prompts created by other people along with tags that can help us to filter for specific prompts. So when opening any prompt, you'll find its contents along with its details and a section called commits. Commit is it's like showing the history of this prompt. Each commit meaning the version of this prompt at a particular time. There's also the fork feature. So when pressing on fork, you can give the fork a name, and what it will be doing is it will create another version of this, another copy of this prompt without affecting this prompt. And its use is if you want to edit the content of this prompt without affecting it, because this prompt might be on production. So if you want to create a new prompt, you can go here, press on new prompt, and you'll have to add the content here. You can add variables, as many variables as you want, by adding them in brackets. So this is an example. You'll find the variables reflected here. You can add whatever values you want. The question is also considered as a variable. You can also modify the settings of this prompt by pressing on this button. You can choose the provider, the model of this provider. So you can use either OpenAI, Anthropic, or any other model, or you can choose the model that you want. You can specify the temperature. The higher the temperature, the more creative the output will be. You can specify the maximum output tokens and so on. You can also restrict the output to be in JSON mode. And you can add extra headers that are extra parameters that you can set up manually and are not created or affected by the user's prompt. You can also set the requests, the maximum rate of requests per second, and you can add extra parameters. What else you can do? You can force the output structure that you want to receive from this prompt by creating a new output schema. You can add a description and the values that you want. You can specify as many as you want with a description, and the type of the variable that you're gonna be getting. You can also add tools. Tools allow the language model to interact with external functions or APIs during prompt execution by specifying a name, description, and expected input parameters. The tool provides the model with clear instruction on when and how to use it. Tool can simulate API calls, data lookups, or business logic such as scheduling, data retrieval, or using interaction handling. And finally, if you want to test your prompt, you can just plug in here the values of your variables. I'll add dummy data. Let's say the question is hello. You can make sure that the secret API is there and press on start, and that's the output. And mainly that's it for the prompt and playground.